What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Epson XP-2200 printer to your Windows computer, install the correct drivers and have full functionality over your printer via the Wi-Fi. So first things first guys, we need to make sure that we are connected. We have our printer turned on and we are connected to the Wi-Fi. Now, if you haven't done this already, I do have a guide in the description showing you how to do it via your mobile phone. You can connect to the Epson Smart app and transfer your Wi-Fi connection to your printer. It's quite a simple process. It's easier than it sounds. It takes around 5 minutes, so check out the video below, guys, if you haven't done that. But we're going to get straight into this tutorial and show you how to install the correct drivers so you can use your printer from your computer. Okay, guys, as we can see, I have my Windows computer. My printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. As we can see, it has the green light next to the Wi-Fi symbol, and we are on the same Wi-Fi on my computer. That is a really important thing to note, is that we have to be on the same Wi-Fi connection on the two devices so they are able to find each other. Now what we want to do, guys, is go to epson.sn/2200. so if we do that, as we can see, guys, it literally says right here where we need to go. So we go to epson.sn/2200 and we go to setup, and we just go to scroll down until you get install the software on your Windows computer. You want to download this software here, guys. So make sure that you have the correct one downloaded, and then we want to open it up as we can see here. So just open it up, press yes. And it's going to take a minute or so just to load up this software, guys, and I'm going to guide you through exactly what to do. Okay, guys, as we can see, the installing software has opened up, and if you do have Windows Ready Print enabled, it will ask you to turn it off. So it will give you kind of clear instructions on how to do that. But if you don't, let's press next and continue on with the product setup. So it's going to open up this tab, guys, and it's going to say, thank you for using this Epson product. We're going to press OK. Just follow along as I do on the screen here, and you should be all good. Press accept. And we have to accept their license agreement. Here, guys, I'm going to press no and untick these boxes just because I don't want to give Epson my data for free, guys. You know, we give these companies enough. So let's press next. Now, guys, it's going to download some of the software and drivers before trying to connect to your printer. And yeah, I'll cut back when this is done. Okay, guys, so if you follow the instructions correctly and you have just followed along as I've done in the video, you should see that it has automatically picked up your printer. So we are going to press next here. And now it's just going to download the rest of the software before giving you guys an option on what software you want to download. So I would recommend, guys, getting most, if not all of it. You want to get the scanning software for sure, so you can use the scanning features from your laptop or Windows computer. But other than that, it's just up to you. So as we can see here, guys, we do have the option to download all of these. I would recommend getting Epson Scan Smart, the support utilities and the scan utilities for sure. The rest is optional and up to you. So let's press next. And guys, to be honest, after this, you're basically done. I'm just going to walk you through the rest of the setup. We just press next again. You can print a test page if you want, just to check that the connection is okay. It's going to check some functions out. It's going to ask you to register for a bunch of stuff. To be honest, guys, just skip all of this. It's not really that useful. I doubt anyone will really end up finding it useful. We're going to press OK for our country. And yeah. So after this, guys, you'll have full functionality over your printer. Okay, we're going to skip this, guys. Do not register for this. They're just going to try and scam you out of your money. We're going to press next again. Okay, guys, sorry for that. Just a little production mistake. But that is it, guys. You now have full functionality over your printer. If you want to learn how to use some of these functions like the scanning, printing and copying, just check the video down below, guys. I do have a guide linked down below on how to do all of that. So yeah. That's it, guys. If you did find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. That would help us out so much. And yeah, if you guys are looking for any printing supplies, paper, cartridges, anything like that, guys, check out our link in the description. Our sponsor, we buy everything from them. They're a really good third-party global shipping printing supply store. And guys, you'll be helping out a small business and you'll be helping out us. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.